So I got to clean it up. See, still a little dusty right here. But cleaning it up right now. I'm about to get ready to go back out. Put a new modification, temporary modification again. You know, we got comfort seats.
Daddy.
So comfort seats,
Daddy,
nice and cushiony. Took this from my bench that I had in the basement.
We can take this apart and then turn it into a monster truck.
I thought we was gonna do a race car.
A race car?
Yeah.
A race car.
Cause this is Super Saiyan
Okay, let's do a race
3 right now. They're gonna turn this to Super Saiyan 4. And then Super Saiyan 5 once I get the body done. It ain't done yet. It's in the basement. I'm working on it. It's top secret. But yeah, getting there, getting ready. It'll be done in a minute. As soon as I get done with it. Alright, I just cleaned a little bit more up. And you can see my first modification, which is temporary. Gotta fix that. Second modification. Seat. Let's see how comfortable it is, son. Hop in. Comfy?
Yeah.
Feel way better than it did before?
It's comfortable.
Comfortable? Alright, so we're gonna stitch that into the seat. And I'm gonna probably get 2 more from a couple more seats that I got that I'm throwing away. And glue it to the back of the seat. I think we're gonna keep it as a 1-seater. I'm not sure if we're gonna do a 2-seater or a 1-seater.
2-seat.
2-seat?
Like, we can
Alright,
put
everybody.
the thing apart and then turn it to a race car with 2 seats.
2 seats? Alright, everybody. If you know anyone that is selling another go-kart seat, just a basic go-kart seat, base model, basic carbon fiber, or this might be plastic, I'm not sure. I don't care which one. Not carbon fiber. Fiberglass, there we go. Fiberglass or regular rubber, plastic. I mean plastic, this is plastic. Then let me know. Because we're gonna pull this out, so I'm gonna rip this one off, pull that out to here. So rip this bar out, pull it out to here, weld it here. I'm gonna weld this
Daddy, we can like
back
take
across.
this off and then take everything up and then turn it to a race car.
And I'm gonna weld, I gotta make these wider, so I'm gonna weld this above the tire, so it's gonna bring this brace out to here, and I'm gonna bring this brace right here. I'm gonna keep that brace right there, and I'm gonna bring this out so that he can have more room. Pull both pedals, so I'm gonna cut these pedals, cut this pedal, cut that pedal, bring them over this way, weld them back on to the case, but I'm gonna bring a straight bar going over here so he can have room to the left. Or do you want a right-hand drive? What you want? What you want? You want London? You know, you have Jamaican, son.
Left-hand drive.
Cause you Jamaican too. You know, you can drive on either side now. What you want to do?
I want to drive it like the
On that
left
side? Okay. Well,
so
we'll do that.
We can like take this apart and then put a door right here and then put a door right here and then a seat right here and then a seat right here.
Now, his favorite car is, of course, the GTR, Godzilla.
But I want to turn this thing into a I want to do a race car like a race car toy in the basement. I want that one because I want this to be black and yellow. So I want the black and yellow.
You hear it, folks? Black and yellow. Black and yellow. So that's what's the color he going for. That's black and yellow. All right. Now, get on the brake pedal. We got to start you up. Test it out. See what we got. Oh, you getting up? Okay. All right. Got to turn it on. I don't even know if it's on. It's on.
Huh?
Let me put it on start. Hold on. I should have checked the filter, but I didn't. Bear with me, back camera guy. Yep, forgot to turn it on. See, that's what I said. It's been a minute. Bear with me. We're gonna put an e-brake on it. Because this is not gonna work. Hold my camera. Hold my camera. Here. Hold it just like that. Look at the go-kart.
Okay. Okay, stop.
Let's go. Wait, don't go anywhere yet. Just hold the brake. Hold the brake. Alright. Now we're gonna roll. You comfy?
Huh?
Wait, let me move the seat up. Sit down, let me see. You grew a little. Huh?
Uncomfortable.
Let me see. Just a little bit more. There we go. Bring you back to the last leg. Dang, you got tall, son. I'm still gonna keep you at the last leg. Still keep you a little comfortable. Hold on. Sit up. Get up. Get up. All right. Sit down. Sit down. Hold on. Wait. All right. Sit down. All right. Go ahead. Go. Let me get some of that brake. Get on your side of the road, bro.